Thank you to watching Shoaib Views channel. My today video on steam turbine basic. Earlier I uploaded a descriptive video on steam turbine which you can see on my channel. A turbine is a device that harnesses the kinetic energy of some fluid, such as air, water, combustion gases or steam and turns into the rotation motion of the device itself. Steam turbine introduction. Steam turbine is a device that extracts thermal energy from pressurized steam and first converted into kinetic energy and later converted in mechanical energy on a rotating output shaft. Steam turbine classification. Steam turbine classification depends on three basic factors: turbine cylinder, rotor arrangement, single, double, or multi. Turbine blades type, impulse, reaction, or combine of both. Exhaust condition, condensing, condensing plus extraction, non-condensing. Design and TIOs, design, condensing. Extraction plus condensing, non-condensing back pressure. Types: single cylinder, double cylinder, multi-cylinder. Condensing turbine, it mostly used in power and electrical generation. It is most sensitive type due to ambient condition. Cooling water condenses the steam turbine exhaust steam in the condenser and creating vacuum. To remove non-condensable gases from the condenser, vacuum pump or air ejector system use. Extraction turbine, steam is withdrawn from one or more stages, with different parameters, pressure and temperature for heating, plant process, feed water heat exchangers. Non-condensing back pressure. It is also called back pressure turbine. After work done, its entire steam exhaust use in industrial process or heating requirement. Impulse blade turbine. These blades mostly found at HP side where volume of steam is low and require smaller flow area. Boyle's law pressure volume. Pressure drop in nozzle. Fixed blades form nozzle through which steam expands, increase velocity and decrease pressure. Enthalpy is changed into kinetic energy in the nozzle. After that, steam hits moving blades and perform work, decrease velocity. Then process repeat same. Reaction blade turbine. Kinetic energy of steam converted to mechanical energy by reaction of the jet of steam as it expands through the rotor. Fixed and moving blades acts like nozzle. Pressure decrease, velocity increase as steam pass through fixed blades. When passing across moving blades, pressure and velocity decrease due to work done by steam. Enthalpy is changed into kinetic energy in both fixed and moving blades. Thermodynamics of steam turbine. A typical Rankine cycle has four thermodynamics process as explained in drawing. Process 1 to 2. Saturated working fluid entering the pump, then pump push it from a low to high pressure. This is called isentropic compression. Process 2 to 3. Liquid at a high pressure entering the boiler is heated by an external heat source at a constant pressure. The liquid is converted to steam. Process 3 to 4. Dry saturated steam from the boiler expands as it enters the turbine. It is also called isentropic expansion. Temperature and pressure decrease. Process 4 to 1. Wet vapor entering the condenser and condensed at a constant pressure. It is then converted to saturated liquid. It is called constant pressure heat rejection in the condenser. Then liquid again circulated back to the pump. Turbine overview. This was the first part of steam turbine. Second part will be released soon, in which we discuss on turbine maintenance and overhauling. Please keep watch my channel. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and like and share the videos.